Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing power and pairing. First, charge the case and both earbuds until the LED shows green. This prevents interruptions. Once charged, put earbuds in the case and open it near your phone to wake the pairing mode. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your device and that headset and audio profiles are allowed. If you have the JBL app, install it now to simplify firmware updates and presets. Otherwise, proceed with the built-in phone pairing flow. Once paired, configure active noise canceling and controls. Open the JBL app to check firmware and select ANC versus ambient modes. Updates often improve ANC clarity. Learn the earbud taps. Short press for play/pause, long press to toggle ANC. Consult the app to remap if needed. Make sure your phone grants microphone and notification access so calls and voice assistants work. Test with music at moderate volume and adjust EQ for balance. ANC should noticeably reduce steady noises like fans and engines. To finish, adopt daily habits that keep ANC reliable. Always return earbuds to the case after use so they sleep and charge. This preserves battery and keeps firmware synced. If you lose connection or ANC acts odd, reset pairing by removing device from Bluetooth and holding the earbuds touch/button controls for about 10 seconds to force a factory reconnect. If sound is muffled, remove and clean silicone tips and charging contacts with a dry cloth. Then recheck fit and ANC performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.